Hey guys, Levi for the Rag Company, and in today's FAQ video, I'm going to be answering the question, how do I clean my tire brush? All right, so tire brushes, they get filthy, they get dirty, they get mucky. It's one of those things that you want to make sure that it stays clean so that you're not transferring your grody dirt all the way over. Now, the main thing is you take that tire brush after you've used it and you throw it in your wheel bucket with some soap and water. Hopefully that would help remove some of it. Your brain goes, man, I'm using cleaners and I'm scrubbing and it's going in here, it should be fine. But every once in a while, that thing starts to get gunked up, and the way the surfactants and the soaps and all that stuff on there they create a little gunk. So one of the things you can do is get some really hot water and get some soap like Dawn dishwashing detergent and soak your brushes. Then take them out, and if you have access to a pressure washer, pressure wash them. Get the things as clean as you possibly can. Otherwise, run them under a sink, maybe run them in your utility sink and get them washed out. Another way you can do it is if you have compressed air, you can also blow out any of the extra sand and dirt and grime and stuff and blow it out of the brush and out onto the ground and into your driveway, hopefully. So you want to clean all those out very well because they are your tools technically, and you do want to have them ready to go for the next use. And nothing's worse than grabbing a brush and finding that it's dirty and it actually makes a bigger mess because you're using it on your carpet and gosh, it's full of sand. So hopefully that's an easy way, a simple way to clean your brushes quickly and effectively. And as always, if you guys have a comment or a question that you'd like me to answer, make sure you leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you like and share this video, and as always, stay tuned for more FAQs right here, the Rag Company FAQ channel. Thanks for watching.